Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows script host error code 800-702. This error usually happens when a script file is missing, corrupted, or blocked by your system. Let's get started. First method, make sure Windows script host is enabled. Press Windows R, type regedit, and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to HKE_local_machine software Microsoft Windows script host settings. Look for the key named enabled. If it exists, make sure its value is set to 1. If it's missing or set to 0, right-click, select Modify, and change it to 1. Close the registry and restart your computer. Second method, check and repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Just search for CMD, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Wait until it reaches 100%. This scan will repair any missing or corrupted system files that might trigger the error. If some files can't be fixed, run the next command. DISM/online/ cleanup image / restore health. After the process completes, restart your PC and try running the script again. Third method, repair the Windows registry. Type registry32jscript.dll and press Enter, then type registry32vbscript.dll and press Enter. These commands re-register the core script components in Windows and fix errors caused by missing or corrupted DLLs. Restart your PC after running both commands. Scan for malware. Malware or viruses often block Windows script host or remove essential files. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and click Quick Scan or Full Scan. Remove any threats found, then restart your PC and check if the error persists. After trying these 5 methods, the Windows script host error should be completely resolved. Always make sure scripts come from trusted sources and that your system files are healthy. That's it. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more win fixes, and leave a comment if you still need help. See you in the next video.